Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. 8,000 milliamp hours in a smartphone? Honor just dropped the power 2025, and it's not just about battery. This mid-ranger is bringing serious heat. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. This beast packs a massive 8,000 milliamp hour silicon carbon battery. And it's not thick like a brick. With 66-watt fast charging, you're going 0 to 100 in just over an hour. We're talking 25 hours of video playback, over 23 hours of TikTok or Maps, and up to 14 hours of gaming on a single charge. Even with that giant battery, the Honor power stays slim, just 7.98 millimeters thick and weighing around 209 grams. The display? A crisp 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate, 1.5K resolution, and up to 4,000 nits of brightness. That's flagship-level screen tech on a mid-range phone. Under the hood, you're getting the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, up to 12 GB RAM, and 512 GB of storage. Smooth multitasking, gaming, and social scrolling, no sweat. Plus, it runs the latest Android 15 with MagicOS 9.0. You've got a 50-megapixel main shooter with OIS, plus a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 16-megapixel selfie cam. Not the craziest setup, but totally solid for casual shooting, social media, and 4K video. So, is the Honor Power 2025 worth it? If you want a slim phone that literally lasts 2 days on a charge, without sacrificing style or performance, this is a battery beast you need to check out. And all this starts at just $270. Wild. Would you buy a phone for the battery alone? Or are cameras still king? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more tech drops like this. Peace.